Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your card space up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you just like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps is here, and here you're looking for garden space up, or just click on search. So then here at garden space, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here, you search here for garden space, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking